If you're visiting Istanbul, one place you'll almost definitely end up is Istiklal Street. We're starting here at Taksim Square, right in the center of modern Istanbul. From here, everything feeds into Istiklal, a pedestrian street that's been active for centuries, once known as the Grand Rue de Para during the Ottoman era. Running straight through the middle is the historic red tram, part of the Taksim Heritage Tramway. It moves slowly through the crowds, more a part of the street's rhythm than a practical way to get around. Today, it's one of the busiest streets in the country, just over a kilometre long and rarely quiet. What you'll find here is a mix of everything: international brands, local shops, bakeries, old cinemas, churches, and bars, all packed into the same stretch. If you look up, you'll notice the architecture shifts. European-style buildings, old consulates, details that hint at how international this area has always been. The middle of the day is when it's at its busiest. Good if you want energy, harder if you just want to walk with it. Late afternoon into sunset is usually the better window. Still active, but more easier to move around. And the light starts to change the feel of the street. As you continue walking towards Galata Tower, the space tightens, the buildings feel older, the side streets pull you in, and the atmosphere slightly shifts away from the heavy retail feel at the top. The tower itself dates back to the 14th century, built by the Genoese when this part of the city was a separate colony. From here, the walk drops downhill towards the water, eventually bringing you to the Galata Bridge. This is where the city opens up. Wide views across the Golden Horn, ferries moving through the water, and locals are lined up along the bridge fishing. Around sunset, this area starts to peak. The light softens, the skyline becomes more defined, and the call to prayer carries across both sides of the city. By night, it shifts again. The lights come on, restaurants under the bridge fill up, and the pace slows just enough to sit and take it in. The walk from Taksim down to the bridge covers a lot in a short distance: history, daily life, and a clear look at how Istanbul moves. If you're visiting Istanbul for a day, this is surely one of the highlights. Anyway, we hope you found this insightful. Until next time, keep on adventuring.